This right in front of us is one of the most brutal looking body kits I've ever seen in my entire life. Wow! Just look at this! The inside is still a base AMG car, but in the outside it's super brutal. As soon as you hit the brakes, you see that? It's really cool. Wow! Hello guys, I am back today welcoming you all with this. Right in front of us we have the all new 2022 model Mercedes-AMG GLE63 S Coupe, but not a normal one. This right in front of us is one of the most brutal looking body kits I've ever seen in my entire life by Larte Design. And in today's video I will give you a full tour of this, showing you all the additional parts that Larte had added. And afterwards we will be checking out the interior and finish it all off with a resume. First things first, the base car for this is obviously the AMG GLE63 S Coupe, and Larte Design has decided to spice it a bit up. Therefore we have a lot of additional parts, also the bonnet, the front bumper, the grille, wheels, a few spoilers, and also the rear. Let me just give you just a quick look of the rear because this looks absolutely phenomenal. Wow! Just look at this. But let's concentrate and start with the front of this car. Let's talk about the numbers. First of all, as I mentioned, base is the GLE63 S Coupe. We have 612 horsepower if I'm not mistaken. V8 bi-turbo AMG. Larte didn't do anything with the performance. Also the interior is stock. Larte is focusing on mainly doing body kits and parts for the cars to make them look even crazier. First things first, the front bonnet here. We have this front bonnet fully finished in carbon fiber, but you can see it exposed on the left and right hand side. Also the shape of it looks so much better, so much sportier with the fins, with the lines, extremely nice. And also the rest is here colored in exterior paint, but the full bonnet is finished in carbon fiber. Larte Design specific emblem, Mercedes-Benz star here on the front. Also the full grille, the so-called Panamericana grille, is finished in carbon fiber, all made by Larte Design. The front bumper, AMG specific V8 one, but the front splitter is full finished in carbon fiber, also done by Larte to give it the final touches, and I love it, guys. This looks absolutely beautiful. If you own a GLE63S or a base GLE, hit them up. They have some parts and body kits for you. Check them out. I will be linking them in the description. On the side we also have the Larte specific wheels, as you can see here. These look kind of cool, multi-spoke look, full black, also with the nice silver touches. If I'm not mistaken, we have 22 inches here in the front. They look really cool, also with the Larte badge here in the center. On the side here we have this additional part, full carbon fiber, to give it a wider touch. Also with the sideboards, but these come from AMG. Also the side mirrors are from Larte. These are finished in carbon fiber. Here in the rear again, 22 inches, Larte Design wheels, looking really cool. How do you guys like them? But now let's focus on the rear, because this, ladies and gentlemen, is one of the best looking GLEs I've ever seen. Wow, just look at it. This looks so cool. Larte has done is, first of all, they have added a few spoilers, and then the rear diffuser is completely different to what we know with the AMG version. Also, these exhaust tips are from Larte. We have them lined up vertically instead of having the quad exhaust with the AMG's. Full carbon fiber diffuser finish, and the part is humongous. It's huge, and I really love the look of this. How do you guys like it? Would you rather go for the stock AMG GLE, rear diffuser and exhaust tips, or for this? I am in love. I really like them a lot. The exhaust tips also look very cool. GLE63S badge, Mercedes-Benz star and AMG badge, all finished in chrome. Then we have the rear spoilers also finished in carbon fiber. And then we have a Larte additional rear wing here. This is so cool. But all in all, Larte has added all these parts to show you what they're able to do also with your cars. You can also only order the rear spoiler, or only the wheels, or only the exhaust tips. You don't have to go for the full set, like however you want it. Now let's talk about the interior. Will be a quick one. It's now time to focus on the interior, but as I mentioned, Larte really concentrated on the exterior bodywork. I also told them to do a bit of interior works, maybe do a crazy color in the inside, but it's fully stock. But it's fully optioned, as you see, with a nice steering wheel, with the red on black interior here, ambient colors inside, the AMG entrance board, AMG floor mats, a carbon fiber package interior. Let me just have a jump inside. As soon as we are inside, you can see the amazing carbon fiber AMG steering wheel. It's one of my favorite ones. Full carbon fiber on top and bottom, flat bottom. Alcantara Dinamica here on the side, and the airbag covers finished in leather. I love this so much. Full carbon fiber here also in the interior. The seats red on black. AMG Affalterbar crest, AMG emblem here. Panorama sunroof, also the rear seats. Very, very cool touches also with the ambient colors in the inside. But all in all, guys, how do you like this GLE63 S Coupe by Larte? In my eyes, it's an extremely nice looking car. The inside is still a base AMG car, but in the outside it's super brutal. And I have to mention the car is brand new, therefore I will be not pushing it too hard. So let's go ahead and start with the sound check. I will be switching it to Sport Plus, and then foot is on the brake. We will be doing an emotion start, okay? 3, 2, 1. Wow, great sound. Yeah, we still have that V8 AMG. Crazy. Also, let's jump outside and listen to the sound from the outside. Let's go. So now it's time to talk about the sound. But before I do that, guys, look at the rear diffuser and also the brake lights. This is something that I forgot to mention. As soon as you hit the brakes, you see that? It's really cool. It's Larte specific brake lights, F1 inspired, guys, and I really love this. Also in addition with the exhaust tips. But anyways, we will be listening to the sound. We'll do an emotion start in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. The sound is so good. I really love and enjoy the AMG V8 Symphony here, and also here in addition with the modified exhaust tips. The look also with the brake lights is just so cool, the way it reflects on the ground. How do you guys like the sound? Rate it from 1 to 10. And now let's continue with the resume. So that's it basically for today's video, guys. How do you like the GLE63 S by Larte Design? In my eyes, the body kits, the parts just look absolutely stunning. I'm not really sure about the wheels, but they have a lot more options. So if you want to go and check them out, I will be putting them in the description. They also have body kits and parts for the G-Class, for the base GLE, also for the X6, and a lot more cars. So check them out in the description. But now that's it for today's video, guys. Here you can also see the full carbon fiber bonnet, something really cool on this car. Which car would you like to see next? Leave it in the comment section below. I'm looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.